analysis. Let's review the Nifty and Bank Nifty indices. Both the indices did not perform well today because majority of the indexes, you talk about IT or auto or FMCG or PSUs, they did not perform well. So that is why Nifty did not do well. If we look into Bank Nifty after say 3 to 4 days of rally, there is some profit booking happening today. We'll have to see how it performs on Monday to see if there is going to be a change in the trend. Okay, but overall the market was bullish throughout the week, but today it is negative. All right, so if we look into the indices, all right, the ones that stands out is CNX IT. It's down like by 317 points. Okay, so yesterday we spoke about last 2 days being very good, very bullish, but today some kind of profit booking has happened. And if you would have seen, LTI is down by 130 points. So that's one of the stock that pulled the IT segments down. Okay. All right. There were good movement in the pharma sector today. Okay. And there are some stocks like Alchem Lab and Gland Pharma Limited, which is something that we would discuss today. All right, so let's start with Gland Pharma Limited. Okay, if you see on a daily trend, the daily is bullish. Okay, and after a long consolidation, the 3215 or 3220 levels, the up move has been significant, and yesterday the stock has rallied really well. Okay, and from the intraday perspective, after the first 15 minutes, there was a phase of consolidation, okay, till say 1:15, but after that the first 15-minute candle broke. Okay, and then there came the significant movement for this particular stock. So keep an eye on this stock. This looks like the stock is on an uptrend and looks like the stock is going to do well. Okay, all right, let's look into let's look into IRCTC. IRCTC today was one of the stock which earned really good profit for the people who played on IRCTC being bullish. Okay, if you see the stock on a daily, the stock is above 50 and above 200, and after a bit of uptrend, but the move did not come. If you see, say like last 8 days, though the stock was up, but there was no significant rally that we can talk about IRCTC. But today was the day for IRCTC, and it went well. So let's look into intraday perspective. First 15 minutes, it was bullish, and ever since then, till 1:15, 2 o'clock, the stock did not give a single chance to get out. All right, and people who would have participated would have made real good money. Say after 2 o'clock, it went into a range kind of trading zone and did not move up or down. But having said that, close to 150 points of move from IRCTC has been really significant. So keep an eye on this, primarily because of the lockdown opening, the railways and the bus services have resumed, which probably means that this kind of stocks would certainly make a movement. All right, there is another stock that probably I would like to discuss with you, that is SDFC AMC. Okay, if you have seen the candle or the day for SDFC AMC, this clearly does not give the right picture. Okay, so when the day started off, okay, it was clearly breaking one of the range, and yesterday also it did perform really well. And let me show you, how the day went. Okay, so there was a slight gap up, and from 3100 level the stock went to 300 level, almost 200 point of movement happened, okay, in the first 1.5 hours, and post that there was profit booking, and it just came to the place where it started, in fact little lower than that. Okay, so that technically teaches us a lesson that if the stock is bullish, not necessarily it is going to be bullish throughout the day. You need to learn how to play candle by candle. You need to learn where are the reversal point of a stock. You need to learn if the stock is still intact in its trend, or has it changed its trend. Okay, so that plays a very important role for an intraday trader to know where to entry and where to exit. And this is a classic case where you should know when to enter into the trade and when to exit out of it and take the opposite direction. Because see, if you have taken a trade, say like 3130 level or something, and would have exited somewhere like 3235 level, okay, you're making 100 points move up, and suppose somebody shorts this particular stock at 3231 level or 3230 level, doesn't give any chance to move, get out of the trade, and 3060 level, so close to 130 points move that you're getting. Okay, so you should be like a good batsman, you know how to play and onside and offside. So it has to be both. As an intraday trader, you need to know where the trend is changing and which side you should be in. Okay, so some of the stocks that we spoke about today. Yeah, again, this Sundaram Clayton. Okay, this stock, first 15 minutes the stock really went up, brief phase of consolidation, and after that the stock went up 550 points up it was, and after that there came the reversal, and it almost came to a place where it started off. Okay, so that is something that we need to eye. It doesn't it is not like if the day is going good for the stock, it is going to remain the same. We need to know when it is reversing, and that's, I think, the key to success in the stock market. All right, friends, so I think the day did not go well if you see from the indices perspective. But I would say that this particular week has been really significant. And week ahead, let's see what's happening on Monday. Monday, we're getting some results for ACC Cement, HCL Technologies, SDFC Life Insurance, Indian Bank, Mastec, and Nippon Life. So all these are going to be significant. And this week is going to be very significant in terms of some of the big companies are going to announce their quarterly results. You see, on Tuesday you will have Bajaj Finance, Asian Paints, Crisil, and on Wednesday you'll have Bajaj Finserv, Havels, Glen Pharma, Jubilant Food. All right, and on 22nd you have Bajaj Auto, Hindustan Unilever, Ultratech Cement, Biocon. Okay, and on Friday you'll have Reliance Industries, Ambuja Cement, JSW Steels, United Spirits. So I think next week it's going to be action packed. Okay, you definitely cannot take your eyes off. There are some heavyweight or really blue chip companies which are announcing their quarterly results in next week. All right, friends, so take care of yourself, be safe, be at home, trade judiciously, know where is the entry point where it is reversing, and I think that should keep you in the game. All right, so thank you so much, friends. We'll connect next week with the post market analysis. Thank you.